How to change NVIDIA Control Panel settings for maximum performance. If you want to improve your gaming performance and get better GPU performance, this video will show you how to change NVIDIA Control Panel settings for maximum performance. First, right-click on your desktop, click on Show More Options, and open NVIDIA Control Panel. Now, click on Manage 3D Settings from the left side menu. Under the Global Settings tab, find Power Management Mode and change it to Prefer Maximum Performance. Next, find Texture Filtering Quality and set it to High Performance. You can also turn off vertical sync to reduce input delay and improve performance in games. After making these changes, click on Apply to save the settings. Now, your NVIDIA GPU will prioritize performance and use optimized settings for better gaming and graphics performance. That's how you can change NVIDIA Control Panel settings for maximum performance.
If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.